Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Bisibelebath. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Let's keep a cooker. Add 2 tablespoon ghee and 2 tablespoon oil. I am using sesame oil. For tempering, add 3 clove, small piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, crushed garlic and 5 green chilli, handful of curry leaves and 7 to 8 cashews. Fry all the ingredients well, and now let's add 2 big onions finely chopped. To this I am going to add carrot 3 and capsicum 1. I have chopped them big because we are going to keep whistle. Also add quarter pumpkin, 1 cup of green peas, 1 cup lima seeds and fry all the vegetables together. After 5 to 10 minutes, let's add 2 big tomatoes, required amount of salt and 1 teaspoon asafoetida powder. Now let's add sambar powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon and garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients. Now let's add soaked rice and lentils. Fry it for 2 minutes and add half cup of tamarind water. And let's add 3 cups of water for 1 cup rice and half cup lentils. Let's keep whistle for 15 minutes in a low flame. Now our rice, dal and vegetables have cooked perfectly. Let's serve it. Now our Bisibelebath is ready. You can serve this with papad, rings and any other chips item. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.